Whatever reason, you might need to save a Rails active record model and skip the validations so that you can just store the data in the database. Here I have an active record model called waitlist_user that validates that the email on the user is both present and unique. Let's pop open Rails console and play around. If we say waitlist_user.pluck email, we'll get a look at what all the emails are in the database already. Notice that there are already a couple that are duplicates, so test2@example.com is already a duplicate. Let's create another user, waitlist_user.new with email of test2@example.com. Now, if we try to say u.save, that is going to fail or return false. That's because test2 is not unique in the database. But if we say u.save validate false, this is the trick to make sure that our transaction goes through and is committed to the database. So now we have created another waitlist user with test2@example.com as the email address. If you have a database level constraint that does not match one of your validations, for instance, a user cannot have a blank email address. If I say waitlist_user.new and I attempt to save this user, even with validate false, this is going to raise an exception because in the database, it requires that the email is present. Even if you pass validate false, you might still get an error from the database layer.